My track is about hot technologies in finance. As such, it's kind of very domain specific rather than being technology specific. So we're going to look at this cross-section of various technologies that are currently either widely used or just very hyped about. And we're going to look at what are they good for, what are they not good for, and what are common pitfalls, what are successful techniques, and essentially follow it from there. I started a company which is risk focused. I'm one of the co-founders and the CTO. Being a CTO of a consultancy based in finance literally forces me to be constantly revisiting the various technology stack and look at how they evolve. So over time, we've had to deal with pretty much every technology that has been hot for the last 15 years. If you think of the horizontal kind of technology space, and we get to look at how do all of these technologies apply within a specific domain. I mean, finance is mostly about more, right? It's about more money, more speed, more accuracy, more data. Because of that, I think I think it's pretty rare that actually finance is the genesis of technologies that then take on somewhere else, but they tend to be very frequently some of the first adopters and or very big sponsors. So you kind of don't want to be too bleeding edge. And that creates a lot of reasonably interesting challenges. For example, everybody wants to talk about HTML5, but lots of financial institutions use IE7 and 8. So how do you work around those problems? So we try and break down, firstly, what are the main issues around these technologies, what are the main assumptions that they impose, and therefore what are the biggest trade-offs that you can get, and then try and overlay those things onto the domain and the problems that we're trying to solve there. So for example, if you're going to be talking about risk management and big data, when is a NoSQL solution the right solution, and when is traditional RDBMS the right solution? It's going to be a discussion of hot technologies in a very applied domain. All of us, I'm sure, have Googled enough about any of the technologies we're going to talk about. There'll be a million articles about how to use it, how to optimize it, but I'm just going to want to bring it down to a specific domain and the do's and don'ts within that.